And then take it out. The other part. Go. Take it out. Hard there. Come on. Let's go. That's it.
When you bring it from my fingers, it goes back. When you put it back, it doesn't happen. But when you bring it like this, it happens. Because the weak point on my hand is attack a lot. As you grow up, it will be more and more. Physical part is when you're a child, you might be physically get abused or a little bit attacked. But after that, for sure, is the mental and emotional part. How to protect yourself as a human being in those kind of situations. Get enough self-confidence. The basic thing when something happens like that, for example, somebody comes to you and makes you angry, the most important thing, if it is not important for you, it doesn't have the effect. How it doesn't, it's not important, but how it's not important for you when you have the ability to control your emotions in
Give me knife. After I turn and after I grab it, I'm put fast reaction to the next one. I'm not stay for just letting it. And then his hand is here. They don't have a chance. Fast reaction is give me your knife, turn this. The best way is go to the private. For the guard. Yeah, it's the best way. Knee to the private. And then after that you have to run away. You don't stay, run away.
all the time. When the attacker is coming with a knife, no, they don't have self-confidence. That's why they are using something else. They don't have self-confidence. Give them a little bit relaxed. Make them feel relaxed. I don't have anything. Okay. This way your hand is up. She or he thinks it's for your surrender. Okay. I will do. Then what was the first rule? Third. After I give my wallet and she doesn't let me go. So I surrender. First turn. And look at my hand. Away from the stone. So if you hit lower, I feel the knife where it is. So behind the knife is the hand. I turn and away. If it is higher, usually they put it here, exactly behind your back, so it goes directly to your heart. So hands up. Okay. And away. Then you have the opportunity to break the hand easily.
Bring your hands up. See you can go on your toes or not. Do you have any balance? Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One hand like this and the other hand try to stretch it, okay? You're 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down. This is all about defense, yeah? So imagine, you see my hand? Imagine I want to slap your face. How you defend?